I was born to be free. I was born to be free.
Guys, good morning. What's poppin'? Oh, I need to get my music ready, man. All that time I was turning up to the intro, and I ain't even have the music ready. So, let's get that going. Guys, good morning. How's everybody doing today? How y'all doing? Man, it sounds so naked without the music. Quick, Gio, get in there. My bad, guys. Oh my God, just like
I don't wanna go out on my own. Maybe we could stay and make a home. It's written on my heart and in my soul. You're the one good thing. And I don't think I've ever been so low, 'cause losing you was worse than losing hope. And baby, I could never let you go. You're the one good thing I know. So tell me that it's all okay. Tell me we will find a better way. Just tell me that it's all okay. Just tell me that we'll find a better way.
Okay, how about now? Okay, can y'all hear me now? You guys should be able to hear me now. Music's at 1000%. Okay, how we at now? Are we better? Still lower? Oh my days. Okay. Okay, now, surely. Okay, is the voice still good? Okay, hold on. Let me up my voice. Okay, mic check, mic check, mic test. Okay, I should be super good now. I'm like borderline clipping. We should be good here. Should be good. Should be good, man. I should be good. Last check. Mic test, mic test, mic test. Deaf now? Yo. I should start doing sound checks prior. That is funny, man. That is funny. Still too low, or is it good? Good or better? Like, is it good? Can it be better? Man, y'all have me losing my voice before the stream even started. Perfect. Okay. Clip just a tiny bit. Hey, if you're not redlining, you're not headlining. All right, guys, good morning. Let's start this over. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Aeropump. Good morning, AW. Good morning, my dog, Kakarot. Good morning, Hoser. Good morning, Flex Dude. Good morning, Race to Ace. Good morning, Milos. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Good morning, Miha. Good morning, Armisalu. Sounds like Tiramisu. Good morning, Keys. Good morning, Indexa. Good morning, Carl. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Dog. Mr. Michael Hughes, a.k.a. Kakarot, on the ones and twos. You're old and deaf. That's funny, man. That is funny. I'm young and deaf, bro, so it's way worse for me. Way worse for me. How y'all doing today? Oh, good afternoon. My apologies. I forgot that it's not 11 a.m. for everybody. Or 10 a.m., sorry. Rather. Iggy's, good morning. Good morning. Okay, guys, what I was trying to say in the morning was I got these new shades. By the way, I did not sleep all day yesterday. All night. Because my freaking intro song was stuck in my head the whole time. So I didn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. And if you're in the Discord, then you know. You know that it didn't work out too hot for me. Did not work out too hot for me. All right, let's move you guys here. We got quite a bit to talk about today. Shouts out to the Discord, man. Okay, I got these shades yesterday on Amazon. $25. And they're a banger. But we're going to take the shades off. I look super tired. I was up all night. I'm sorry. My intro song was too hot. Good afternoon. When Bitcoin TA? We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Let's start with Bitcoin, actually. Okay, let's get into it. But before we do, guys, like the stream if you haven't already. Please and thank you. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, let me know how you got here. Did it show up on your YouTube? Because I know my Discord people have my back. But if you're new here, I don't know. Okay. Let's chat. Bitcoin first. Guys, Bitcoin fell through these order blocks. Oh, actually, you know that. Yeah, fell through these order blocks. All right. What the frig is going on with BTC? What the frig is going on with Ethereum? And really, what's going on with the market here? We're going to talk about all that. All right, let's go BTC first. So, very clearly, guys, we have a range. Boom. Okay, we have a range. Yesterday, live on stream on the Discord, I believe. I don't think I streamed yesterday, but on Discord I streamed, I think. We shorted from the exact top, and actually, let's find that trade. Let us find the trade. Okay, so yesterday I said we have three swing failure patterns we could take. We ended up taking the low one. All right, we ended up taking the low one with a flipping market structure. Yesterday, 12:25 p.m., I told you guys that I entered the short. Okay, we were watching for this. I entered. We saw divergences on market cipher B, which at this point in the chart, I'll go back and we'll go over. But I did take the short. I also gave you 2 re-entries if you didn't enter it where I entered it. I'm not sure if either one of those hit, but those were your shorts. And I gave a video update yesterday. It was super quiet, but I said, and I'm gonna reiterate it here. So yesterday, let's go back in time. Okay. Yesterday, we were looking at this swing failure pattern right up here. Let's hide everything. Let's hide all the nonsense. We'll come back to the nonsense, no problem. Okay, we were looking at taking this high. What did we do yesterday at this white line? We started coming up. We wicked the high. This is the 15. Let's come on the 5. Let's see what we see. 5-minute time frame. What do I say, guys? When there's thick money flow on market cipher B, when there's thick money flow, I like to see 3 divergences. Okay, on the third wave, that's when I really start to look to enter. Obviously, we have to be at a key level as well. What did we have here? We had our first divergence, or our wave. Then we had our first set of divergence, right? So let's make this bigger. Let's see what we see. What do we see? We have divergence number 1. Divergence number 1, but we didn't quite tap the level. We front ran the SFP. My mentality, do I think, why was I naked? Because I can. Because I can work from home naked, okay? What's my mentality? Why would we come this close to the SFP and not take the SFP? Meanwhile, what's my rule? When I see 3 divergences, that's when I like to consider my real div. What do we see? Second divergence starts to come, right? So now we're diverging over, like, more greatly over time and across multiple waves. So we have this and we have this, but this is the third divergence, third wave of divergence. Meanwhile, what do we say? I'm going to make a video on this for you guys probably tomorrow. We got the golden nugget happening on market cipher B on a significant momentum wave at a significant level. Bang, we took the short. Let's see the 3. 3, same thing. We got 3 sets of divergences. 1, 2, 3. Right? Same exact thing. Let's come to the 1. 1-minute time frame, it wasn't so clear, but if you're looking on the 3 and the 5, you could have said, all right. And I'll tell you this, we're definitely not longing during an SFP. Definitely not longing. So, we shot for it. And we're in the profit. And we're in the green. And let's see. Let's come back to real time. And we are still in that short. And we are currently up. Uno momento. Where are we here? Man, I have so many accounts and so much going on. Ah, right there. Okay. So let's take a look here. Right? BTC short 83x, entry 35061. Right up here, 35061. And by the way, I actually took many hold on. 35061. I took many shorts here. I actually took 3 different shorts on 3 different accounts. Some of them I held, some of them I closed, whatever. This is the one that I held. And there you go. We're up 175% on the trade that I gave you guys yesterday. Still holding it. And the reason I'm still holding it is because, let's see in the Discord actually. These were my main targets for the trade yesterday. Okay? So let's come back to the range and let's talk about these take profits. What do we always do on this channel? What do we like to do? We like to build a narrative, right? Let's get rid of all this. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. We like to build a narrative. Do I have my position actually? I might have deleted my actual position That's fine. We build the narrative. What do we see when we draw this line, right? Retail draws this line like idiots and says, oh, guys, we're at support. Let's long it. We're at support. I know how to draw a line. We're at support. Stupid. We do not do that. We draw liquidity lines. We say, oh, this line is going to break. And when it breaks, we're coming down, baby. There's liquidity below this stop, below this stop, below this stop, below this stop. So it is very easy for Bitcoin to, when it falls, as it has, make its way all the way down. So our first major profit target was this low, which we still haven't taken. Our second major profit was this low, which we obviously still haven't taken either. And our third is the range low, which is down here. Now, I did say yesterday in the Discord that you can take profits along the way, right? These are major profits or major swing trade profits. If you're scalping it, you can take profits. I shorted 3 different times, so I took profits on some accounts and I closed out other accounts. Okay? But that's how it works, right? Very easy setup. Very easy setup given in advance. And not only was it given in advance, but I literally, I walked you guys and I talked you guys through it with me. Right? Because we all took the trade together. Okay, where is my... Oh, my... Sorry, I just got to monitor my positions here real quick. Okay. Why is that the range low? It's the range low because this, okay, so this you can see clearly. Like this is a range, right? That's a range. This is not a range low. You wouldn't draw it like this because this is like the breakout happened from this point. So especially when you're scalping, which we do here, after you get a pump or a dump, whichever way, what usually happens is Bitcoin will range and then it'll play the range and it'll move in any direction. Okay? So after we had our massive pump, we mark this as the range high. And then we mark the next low, which was this low right here, as our range low. So this is our current range. And what happens when we range, typically, is we will push the highs and we will push the lows until the range starts to expand. So it's possible that we SFP the high here, which we were looking at yesterday, right? When we were talking about the SFPs, I was saying, guys, we could still come back up for these other SFPs as well. And this top one at 35750, right up here, is the range high SFP. And actually the yearly high SFP. So this is a very important SFP to watch, which is why I have alerts here. Okay? So we're saying you could SFP here, and then obviously we're keeping our eye on the low here. And my target is this SFP, and this SFP. And when you're in the range, normally you push the range up, you range, you push the range down, you come back in, you fake them out. And when that happens, you extend the range. And then the range gets pushed and pushed until it eventually breaks and we form a new range. All right, let me read the chat real quick. Am I waiting for the third dot to confirm, or wave divergence is enough? Well, the dots on Market Cipher B will give you like the wave divergence, right? All the dots do are indicate the top of the wave. So it's kind of the same thing. What did I take? Oh, when did I take my first profit on this trade? Well, I'm holding my larger, so I told you, I shorted it on 3 different accounts. My first profit I took was, let's see. So one of them I haven't taken profits on. I'm still holding. My first profit I took on the break of this low. So on this wick, I took profit here. And I took my second profit on the break of this low. So this one and this one. Those were my two take profits. Did Coinbase SFP the range high? No way. Man, I'm telling you. Okay, it didn't on this. Maybe it did on like perpetuals. I don't know if Coinbase even has perpetuals. But that's crazy, man. Listen, the Bitcoin in the last, since we had our dump in August, so in the last 4 or 5 months, has been so weird. It's been so inconsistent with the lows or with the wicks. It's crazy. Like, wow, that is insane. Wait, let me go back to the Coinbase one real quick. Yeah, like that's insane, man. So this is good confluence with now coming down to test the range low. Right? And that's why I'm holding my lows, right? That's why I'm holding my positions. Because they're very well could make our way down. We very well can. And I've been saying it for a very long time, that everybody is too bullish. That doesn't mean that we're not going to scalp, because obviously we do. But I mean, you know, did I end up taking that ETH long? Yes, I did. No, not here. Not on this one. So let's talk about ETH real quick, and then we'll jump on to like the other alts. No, divergences are always from the wicks. Always. Body, I don't care about body. Wicks, always. Okay. So earlier in VIP for ETH, I gave this, right? So potentially 1790, potentially this zone here. Maybe we'll take it together live. I'll tell you guys if I take it. Looks like Pumptober was real. It looks like it, but it did dump first. So I was not wrong. All right, ETH is coming into our box. Let's see if we can catch this ETH long together. What am I seeing? I'm seeing a potential divergence already if the 3 minute or 5 minute starts to clip. Let's come on the 3 minute. We got money flow coming up. We're coming into a box of support. Let's see what we see. One's at the ready, guys. Get your fingers ready. I'll tell you if I take it. But we're coming into support right now. Let's check the 1. This is live trading. 1 does not look great yet. What I want to see is I want to see this clip. I want to see this. I want to see us come up a bit. Come down one more time. Bang. That's what I want to see. Let's see what we see. Right now, we are seeing a green vector candle, which we know they like to recover. Let's pull up our EMAs. We're seeing the green vector candle right now, which we know that they like to recover. So we are only to assume right now that this is a retracement vector back into the 50 EMA, and we are going to continue to move down. This is how we build our narrative live in real time. Write this moment in the stream down so you can come back to it. This is how I think when I'm entering a trade. Let's see if we take it. So far, we're patient. No entry yet. I actually had a limit order set. And on MEXC, my order actually hit. So I actually did long right there. But I'm going to take profit, I think. Let me see. I actually did long accidentally. I forgot I had an order there. I had the order there overnight. Yeah, I'm gonna take profit on that long that I literally just took, because I still think we can come down. We still have to reach the depression phase. We're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about if the bull market is here, because I don't think it is. But we're gonna talk about it. Okay, let's see if we can get one more down. Guys, I'm gonna talk in real time, okay? This is how you're gonna learn. I'm gonna tell you what I'm thinking. When I'm ready to enter a trade, I have my zone. Let's see if there's any reason why we could front run the zone real quick. I mean, it's technically possible. Okay, this box we don't need anymore. Useless to us. We don't really have any reason right now to front run the zone. If we do, fair play. I am in somewhat of a long, but... Wait, you think when you're taking trades? Yeah. I used to just press long and short, and then... And then I went to the bathroom and then got wrecked like you did last week or 2 weeks ago or whatever. Okay. What do we see? This is my level of my point of interest, right? We're going to pay attention to market structure. We're going to watch market cipher across multiple time frames. Let's start on the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame doesn't give us anything. Let's go to the 30. 30, potentially we could get a cheat sheet entry, right? This could be a cheat sheet entry. Let's come to the 15. 50-minute time frame, money flows coming down. Good confluence with us coming down. And we broke the 50 EMA, but we are at the 200 EMA. Okay? Potentially the 200 EMA will give us support. We will see. Let's come to the 10. 10-minute time frame is giving us the potential of our divergence, right? We are potentially getting it, but we don't know yet. And the VWAP is actually curving down, and the money flow is coming down. So also not looking too great on the 10. Let's come to the 5. 5-minute time frame, same thing. We could get multiple waves of divergences. What could happen is we could come down a bit, not close below this, or not make the wave clip below it. Come like that, come down for one more, bang. There's your divergence. Alternatively, what we could do is come up like this a little bit, come up a little bit, potentially reject off the 50, come down again, and it will give us our third tap of divergence, which I like to see when money flow is thick, as it is. But we are to pay attention right now to the VWAP. The VWAP is our golden nugget, only when it's a significant wave. And just like I always, well, I'm going to make a video on it, but I'm going to tell you guys, after I make the video, which will be the next video, you'll know what I'm talking about when I talk about that. Our next 2 videos. I got 2 more market cipher videos coming up. It'll be the second one. Okay, let's come to the 3. What do we see on the 3? 3 minutes looking good. 3 minute, we have money flow increasing over time, and we're getting the divergences, right? We're getting the divs, and actually we have the 1 tap, the 2 tap, and the 3 tap on the divergences. So maybe we are just gonna front run it. I don't know, right? I don't know. Let's come to the 1. That's the 2. Let's come to the 1. Let's watch the 1 now. So we know that if we come down based on the 3, 5, and let's say 10, it looks good for longs, right? Now we just gotta watch the 1. As I mentioned, I actually did enter accidentally, but I did take profit, but I'm still in more than I was in before. So if it goes up, I'm cool. I'm chilling, right? But let's see what happens. Now we got to see if we put in a higher high, right? We got to see if we put in a higher high on the 1. And if not, then it is potential to bang. We could come up, put in a cheat sheet entry because we have the green vector, put in a cheat sheet entry around this zone, come down for one more tap, bounce off here, and then off to the races. We don't know. Now is important to watch market structure. If we close above this point, 1814, let's say, no, not on, literally on the 1. Let me see the 2. On the 2. Let's say a 2-minute close. Cleanly above this level, we could potentially be at the low. We don't know yet. We'll see. But this is how I do it in real time, right in front of you guys. This is how we do it. Guys, if you're getting value from this stream, make sure to like the stream. There's 52 people in here, and either you guys don't have fingers or you guys don't like me. So if you like me, if I'm giving you value, if I'm teaching you how to trade in real time like we're doing, please hit the like button for me. It helps me a lot, man. It really helps me a lot. So they say. I mean, I don't know. I just work here. What do I know? Okay. In the meantime, while this is happening, let's set an alert here. Actually, you know what? Let's chill. We'll talk about other things later. Look at that. Okay, so we're coming down. We're coming down. Fingers ready. We're getting ready right now. We know what we're expecting. Potentially we can get another div. What's up, God? How you doing? Okay. Ideally, we are not to break this low. We'll see if we do. Who knows? And this could be a quick scalp, guys. This doesn't need to be a swing trade all the way up to 2K. Let's see what we see. Now we're looking for golden nuggets. I want a quick move down with a red vector into our zone while getting the golden nugget here. Let's see if we get it. About to hit our alert. That's why I took profit, by the way, because I didn't even realize I had a long there set overnight. Liked and comment. Thank you very much, Van. Appreciate you. All right, our alert's about to go off. Come on, give me a fast. I want a fast move down. Fast. Look, we're starting to get the golden nugget. We can see. There's our fast move. There's our move right there. Let's see if we break the low. I don't know. It's too soon. I'm getting ready, though. If you want to be safe, we wait. If you want to shoot, we're at the low of the ball. We're at the low of the range. So let's see. If you entered now, I would say stop loss below this low. If you entered, and if you caught it down here, I would take profit already, just to be safe. Let's see the 3. 3 is looking okay. It's not looking horrible. 3's looking okay. 5 is also looking okay. We want to see a clip. We want to see, like, price get out of this zone from now, if it's going to work out. One doesn't look too great, but, you know, we have the red vector that we can recover. And you don't want to force the trade, guys. This is not a super obvious trade right now. But money flow is increasing over time. We'll see how low we go. We might just SFP it. I don't know. But this is a support zone right now. Yeah, it's not looking great. Not looking too great. Who knows, though? Let's see. All right, let me check the comments real quick. Stop loss and leverage. So leverage doesn't matter because we have a very clear invalidation always, right? So we broke this level. If you took the long, you would have... There you go. Your stop loss was hit. So leverage doesn't matter because we have a very clear stop loss. And that's why we use market cipher, guys. Because if market cipher... gives us what we want to see, then we take the trade, and if it doesn't, then we don't. Very simple. Very, very simple. And as I was doing it, I was saying, it doesn't look too good. And so, it is what it is. We move on to the next one. No problem. No worries at all. No worries at all. Yeah, this could be a pretty monstrous drop here. Okay, so we're potentially SFPing this. We took this liquidity. We might come for this liquidity now. Let's see. I'm going to answer your question in a second here. I just want to see what's going to happen. So this is an SFP that we can come and grab. This is an SFP that we can come and grab. So when we're at a key level and you don't see what you want to see on market cipher, you don't take the trade. That's why we didn't take it. That's why I took profit. It's exactly why we don't do that. We don't do that. Right now, we have got a golden nugget on this wave, which could be considered a significant wave, which I will explain in a future video what that means. But this could be considered a significant wave. I probably would not count it as one, though. Nonetheless, we could come up, recover a little bit of this, however much, and then come down for another wave to grab these SFPs, if this holds right now. We could also just come down. I don't know. We gotta watch. We're gonna go over to Bitcoin soon. But if you've been a follower of the channel, then you know that this is no surprise for Bitcoin. No surprise at all. Very easy play. And that's why we're still short and we're still holding it and our take profits are still in place. No sweat over Bitcoin. No sweat. Not one sweat over Bitcoin. Yeah, ETH is coming for some serious lows here. This is my demon's high. All right, let's see if we SFP. Let's see if we SFP. Damn, look at that. Look at Bitcoin. Down she goes, baby. Man, what did I tell you guys? Where's Bitcoin going? Bitcoin's coming for this low. Why do you think I took profit on the Doge long from yesterday? All right, we're grabbing these lows. We're going to come for this low? Let's see. Man, it's hard to stream and trade at the same time. It's actually very hard. I'm like trying to focus. I'm trying to think out loud, but... All right, how low do we go? BTC, we got to follow Bitcoin. We're going to talk about it. I want to see this low. I want to see us come to this low. We got to swap back and forth. If you're trading ETH, you got to watch Bitcoin. You have to. We actually may be able to long here. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet. All right. Where can we come to? Let's see. So Bitcoin's probably coming for this low at least. And by the way, guys, this could be a fast wick. Very fast. We could come down and grab this low real quick. Okay? It's possible. And this low. We got to watch all three of these SFPs right now. It can happen quick. Good selling on alts. We're going to talk about it all. I feel like, man, I came on stream to... This just happened so quick. Like, I can't talk and watch at the same time, you know? It's just too crazy right now. And if I'm trying to get in positions, which I scalp, I super scalp, so I can do that, then, you know? All right. So we're currently SFPing on ETH. We are not we're SFPing the previous low on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been mad stubborn, man. I'll tell you guys that. Mad stubborn. Mad stubborn. Bitcoin's probably going to make its way up a little bit, retrace a little bit, and then continue to move to the downside. We will see. But Bitcoin has been mad stubborn. Does not want to go down. But it will. And when it falls, it will fall hard, okay? It will fall super hard when it does. Let's see what we see. Show us your hand. Okay, we're probably gonna just chill around here for a little bit. Let's follow BTC. All right, Bitcoin's getting somewhat of a decent recovery right now. ETH is kind of not really doing much, kind of lagging here. XRP just came down, excuse me, to one of our zones. Rejected off another zone, rejected off another zone. Like, too easy, man, too easy. Too easy. Let's see what Soul's not recovering, really. Ada's not doing much. The Dogecoin, RIP. Guys, I closed my Dogecoin long up here. So I'm chilling. Works for me. Pepe. I don't know how to say this. TRB or TURB or TRIB or like I literally don't know. I shorted this yesterday also. Let me check my my TRIB whatever is up 300%. Let's check this out. Boom. 300% short on TRIB. However you say that. I have literally no idea. Link RIP. Link we shorted from up here. Don't worry about this long. That was old news. Link we shorted from up here. I closed the trade though, but we did short from up there. Easy work. Not really doing much. Not really doing much. So the whole market is kind of coming down, right? Expected. We can't say we didn't expect it. Cannot say we didn't expect it. No way. Very clearly we expected it. We shorted yesterday. Can I check Gala? Guys, I'm sorry. I'm kind of neglecting you right now. We're going to talk soon. Gala's not really doing much. Oh, man. Gala can come all the way down to here. Gala can rip down another 30%. Can. I don't know if it will. Potentially, I would look for an entry around 1636 on Gala. Just on first glance. Right, just on first glance. At the end of the day, we're going to have to watch Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about it. I just need this to, like, kind of chill out a little bit so that I have a couple minutes to actually chat. Because I can't trade and thing at the same time. And I got to manage my trades and stuff. So, let me see. And I want to catch this long. I want to catch this long. So, right now, if we come in, we take this low really quickly, I will look to long it. I will look to potentially long that. Let me check the one. Okay, real quick. Hopefully Bitcoin just kind of chills and doesn't do anything. Real quick though, let's put some alerts and then let's chat. If we take this low again, we're gonna chat, or we're gonna not chat. We're gonna stop chatting if we take that low again. We got an alert down there. Okay, what's going on here? Why are we dumping? Let's come to the 4-hour time frame. Actually, less than that. Let's come to 15-minute time frame. Aside from the fact that when we're in a range, generally we know that we're gonna press the highs, press the lows, press the highs, press the lows. We haven't really come back down to test any of these lows, right? So it absolutely 100% makes sense right now to come and take the low. It makes sense to come down here. Okay, right off the bat. We've been talking about it in yesterday's video. We've been talking about it in the Discord. We've been talking about it on the streams. Everybody's like, Geo, you're so bearish. No. Everyone, you're wrong. Nah, man, I'm not wrong. Guys, I'm not. Maybe I'm wrong in the timing that I didn't expect this pump to happen, but we have a lot of liquidity below us. A lot. And we know that Bitcoin likes to hurt some feelings, to say the least, okay? We know it likes to do that. Everybody is too bullish. I've been saying it. Okay. So, we're already expecting this. Cool. The next level, the next point of interest right now. Let's see. Let me pull up my levels. I actually don't know where we are. Let me see. Range levels. Right here. I want to see us come down to here. If we tap this box, I will consider longing. Let's move this alert down here. Might take some time to get there, but this is where we're looking along. Preferably, even if we take this SFP. That would be perfect. That would be chef's kiss. That would be so sick if we do that. All right, let me just set my take profits on Bitcoin real quick. If we come to this wick, I'm so taking profit. What time frame is this? Where are we? Oh, that's ETH. Oh, I actually have my take profits set. Okay, cool. Cool. Very good. Very, very good. All right. Yeah, you've been saying it, and I backtest every word you say. Okay, let me read some comments, guys. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you like the stream. Leverage doesn't matter. Okay, so the reason why leverage doesn't matter, and I'm going to make a video on it, because people don't understand how powerful leverage can be. People don't get it. Leverage is more so, man, we are confirming this SFP right now on ETH. With money flow coming up. This could be the low on ETH, to be honest with you. Could be the low on ETH. The question is, do we get in on ETH? And the answer is, I don't know. It's hard to stream and trade at the same time. Okay. Leverage doesn't matter because okay, let's just say we had our box, right? You have your box, and let's just say this is your very clear invalidation. Is right here. Let's just say that's your very, very clear invalidation. If you're going to long at this point, right? No matter where it is, anywhere it is, if you're going to long, and this is your invalidation, the low of this box, your stop loss goes there. Your leverage will just determine where your liquidation or where your stop loss essentially, which we don't ever get liquidated, but it will essentially determine where your level is, like where you get out of the trade. So if you know that you need to get out of the trade at this level, right, at the bottom of this, like right here, let's say, you know you got to get out. If your 200x stop loss is here, it doesn't matter because it's going to hit your stop loss first. If your 150x leverage position is there, it doesn't matter because it's going to hit your stop loss first. If your 100x leverage is here, it doesn't matter. You see what I'm saying? Because it's going to always hit your stop loss first. So the closer you can get and the better of a sniper entry you can get, the closer you can, or the more money you can put on your position with risking less. If your 200x liquidation is here, then you know you can't be 200x because your stop loss needs to be there. So I'll make a video that will better elaborate that. But that's essentially how it works. All right, doing a good job. Am I going long? Good selling on alts. Already read that. Math is math. You got your long limits on these lows. I do not have limit orders. MEXC is the cheapest exchange for market orders, and most of the time, honestly, most of the time I market enter. I will make a video on how I enter as well, but because it's so cheap, most of the time I do market stuff. Oh, Hoser, you know what time it is, bro. You hear the song. You hear the song. We're gonna have our daily TA break in a second here. Where's my OBS? We're gonna do what we do right now. We gotta do what we gotta do right now. Okay, you think market makers are trying to liquidate 34.4? Maybe. Wow, Bitcoin is actually doing very well. Bitcoin is really holding up right now. I'm kind of shocked. I do want to see lower though. Do we want to do a calculation? Yeah, we will. Hold on. We got to do what we do, guys. You know what time it is. Shut me up. Where we're going, we don't need roads, baby. Tell me that you cry, or does he know the... Okay. Enough of that. We don't have time to party right now. Bitcoin is on the move, baby. Okay. I don't know if market makers are going to come for 34.4 right now. I don't see that they would. You can see very clearly while we consolidated in this little mini range, we had money flow coming down. Bang. There's your cheat sheet entry on the 1. Send her down. Right? We're not at our level yet. We want to see us come and tap our level. I want to see down here. Preferably down here even. And again, guys, listen. You think, oh, man. 9,000 away. $1,000 away. Geo, seriously? Guys, this range moves, okay? This range moves. This range absolutely moves. Don't think we can't be at 1,000 in the next 10 minutes, because we can. 100% we can. Where it truly lies. Okay, we're gonna watch Mexi requires KYC. It does not. So if you need an exchange, check the link in the description down below. I will actually post a link for you. And you want to help support me, and of course I appreciate it. It's the cheapest fees, cheapest on fees across the board. Man, you can market entry for basically for free. So let me pin that real quick. Yo, Hoser, can you pin stuff in the chat or no? I can't hit the button because my like button is in the way. I don't know. I gotta fix that. I don't know why it does that. Okay, real quick. ETH is, we gotta get rid of this. We gotta get rid of this line. So ETH is looking like we're SFPing here. Man, if I was not on stream, I probably would have caught that long down there. It was just such a fast drop, you know? It made sense. Okay, but anyway. Could not upload ID. You don't even need to upload ID, bro. No, I can pin it. Now I can pin it because a couple messages happened. But I couldn't, like my heart. The heart emoji button reaction thing was in the way, so I couldn't. Okay. Alright, I will check Litecoin. Yeah, I will. I will talk out loud like I did earlier today. If it hits that price. Let's see where we're potentially bouncing off of right now. Probably the golden pocket or something. 786. Let's see. Oh, we actually broke the 786. Okay. Interesting. Let's pull it from this low. Okay, golden pocket of this most recent swing low. And actually, a lot of people consider this to be the swing low. I don't, but a lot of people do. So this may be the low. I don't know. Could be the low. We'll see, man. We'll see what happens here. I would like to come lower, but we don't necessarily have to. It's corn, not coin. I love that song you play. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, EG. Okay, guys, the VIP code for this Discord, we'll make it 2629. 2629 is going to be the code. How do I do my snipe trades? I'll make a video on how I enter. I'll make a video for you guys. You got in the ETH long? Yeah, Mexi does not have KYC. So, link is in the description. And, 2629. Okay. So we're bouncing off the golden pocket of what many may consider the range low. I don't consider that the range low. To each their own, nonetheless, no problem. We are getting somewhat of a reaction on it. Bitcoin is doing a very good job and it's holding its own. I will tell you this though. Bitcoin lately, as I've mentioned, has been very, very stubborn. Okay. Yeah, 2629. Bitcoin's been very stubborn. And it doesn't seem like it wants to go down. I think it will. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but I think it will. And when it does, guys, when we catch the short, it's going to be a monster short. No, so Bugra, thank you for asking that question. Let me explain how the VIP works real quick, okay? So, 1 second. So if we come to the VIP section of my Discord, if you come here, how to enter VIP, whatever. On the top right, normally I have a bot. Okay, the bot, his name is GeoBot. He needs to be online, and he's usually up here. What you do is you come and you DM my bot, the 4-digit code, and he will tell you have been granted access. Now, the bot's offline right now, so it's not going to work. But you'll get the access there. You'll see the access. And so you can get in for free by watching the videos. And what happens is after every video, I purge you guys, aka I delete everybody from VIP, and I get you guys to resend the code. That way, it's kind of my way of manipulating watch time. It's my way of manipulating watch time, essentially. And it gets you guys to learn, man. Like, it's not even just about me. Y'all ask me questions all the time that I answer in the videos. And it's like, okay, like, watch the video. Okay. What do we say? We want to check Litecoin? I have Litecoin on my watch list somewhere. Yeah, right there. Let's check LTC. All right, so LTC, very clear liquidity sweep right here. Did we take this low? No, we didn't. We did not take these lows down here. This is an order block. We got a nice order block right there. Wow, right off the order block. That's crazy. This order block has now been mitigated. It's not relevant to us anymore. Dang, I wish I saw that prior. We have a nice liquidity sweep of all these lows. I think that this might be the low for Litecoin. This might be your low for Litecoin. Five minutes looking bottomed out. Let's check the 3. Now, unfortunately, we didn't catch that low. 3 is also looking pretty bottomed out. We gotta keep an eye on the 1. We gotta see if Litecoin breaks back above 70, which again, like, it's kind of far away, but it is what it is. Then Litecoin is gonna continue its merrily way higher. But this kind of gives me good confluence for other alts. And because Bitcoin dominance right now is super high, and it's dropping, but it is super high. Typically, the market will follow Bitcoin, and alts will do whatever Bitcoin's doing. So if Bitcoin is going to continue its way up, then it's likely that, obviously, the alts will do the same. Because dominance is up. Okay, let me see. Anchor wave minus 70, trigger wave minus 20. If there is a new wave at minus 30, is that also a trigger wave, or does the new wave have to be between? Okay, so the way that I look at trigger waves and anchor waves, remember, you're kind of just looking for momentum, right? But if you have a wave like deep like this, if you have a deep wave like this, and then you have this, right? There's your anchor, there's your trigger. But if you have this wave come up and then you have another wave like this could be your anchor and this could still be a trigger wave. So they're both trigger waves. But it doesn't mean that on the first anchor trigger that things are going to go up. You also need to watch money flow. You need to watch your VWAP, etc. Yeah, but for $12.99, you don't get purged. So if you come to the VIP Discord and you decide that you want to pay, you're welcome to if you like. That way, you don't get purged. And I purge you guys basically every day. So I understand that some people don't have the time to watch my hour-long, 2-hour-long streams. I understand that people don't have the time to, you know, watch my videos every day. And you guys want the updates right away because I update all the time. Right? Yesterday, I updated like, I don't even know, 10 times or something. I update all the time throughout the day, and I go through the trades with you, and I give you guys video updates in real time, and I, you know, whatever else. If you feel like you don't want to pay, or sorry, you don't, like, let's say you have a job, you're whatever it may be. You have a job, you're busy, you want it right away, you could pay $12.99 a month to not get purged. And then you'll have access to it always. So you're paying for the convenience. But the free option will always be there for you guys. All right, thanks for notifying. You are awesome, bro. I want to be like you and be able to quit my job, man. It's so boring. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Listen, if you stick with it and you're disciplined with it, you will be there. Stick with my channel. You'll learn a lot. Let's see what the Dogecoin is doing. Doggy is bouncing off of... What did I miss here? Because I thought the Doggy was going to come a little bit lower. Perhaps I missed something. I don't believe I did. Maybe it was the golden pocket or something. I mean, golden pocket 786 doesn't look too great. Did I miss anything? Let's get rid of these EMAs. I don't think I missed anything with the Dogecoin. I think we might, especially if Bitcoin makes another run to the low, which don't be surprised, guys, if Bitcoin is $1,000 less in like the next 10 minutes. It can be. We'll go back to Bitcoin. But nonetheless, you know, you'll see. What should CP1 be on Litecoin? Was it for Litecoin that you wanted to know? I mean, when you have a crazy wick like this, I would already take profit probably at like this low. Like these, like around this area, I would have already taken profit. Right? Around there, I would have probably already taken profit. So if you haven't already, now is your take profit. If you want a simple take profit, this is your take profit. Definitely, if you haven't taken profit here, you're 100% taking profit up here. And actually, we're potentially looking to short up here. So if we come up here, potentially we're going to short it. Because this is an order block. Let's come to 15. I would even potentially do it like that. There's our order block. Right? So you're definitely taking profit on the longs. If you caught the longs. Whenever you have a fast wick like that, you're always going to take profit. Yeah, man. Litecoin came down to perfectly. I didn't have this level. I should have, though. I'm stupid. Nice, perfect 15-minute order block right there. Bounce right off of it. Crazy. If you're staying long, man, God bless. All the power to you. I hope it works out. Dog, what is happening with Bitcoin? All right, let's come back to BTC. So we know the market's going to follow Bitcoin, right? Let's come to the 10. Money flow is thick, guys. And remember, what do we say? We like to see 3 waves of divergences when the money flow's thick. And we have this green vector candle that we can recover. So, right, we got wave 1. This could be wave 1. This could be wave 2. And then perhaps we do something like this. Put in our third divergence. And it would be 1. And then, like, it'd be 1, 2, 3 into our box and longer up. We have the green vector that we can recover. And we have the red dot. Or, sorry, we have red money flow. So you can't be ignorant to this candle right there. For sure cannot be ignorant to it. And remember, if we come down, it can come quick. We do not long this just for the sake of longing it. Because we're at a level. No, we look at market cipher. We build the narrative as we're doing. And we say, okay, makes sense, doesn't make sense. That's the 10. Let's check the 5. 5 minute, we have money flow coming up. So if we come down for another one, I will look to long it here. That could have been the low right there already. I don't know. But if it comes down again, it's important to, you know, it's important to be aware of it. Super important to be aware. And this is how I enter my trades, guys. Like on the 5, it looks like if we get one more divergence, that these SFPs will play out. If we come down one more time. So now what I would do is, okay, I would say we have an SFP here. We have a level here. I would start planning and I would start putting my limit orders down here. 33.7 to, and the stop loss would be 33.1. And I would start putting my orders in. Now that's a massive range. It's hard because this range is so volatile. So you're obviously using low leverage and you're obviously calculating your position sizes accordingly, right? We are to always practice good risk management. But does it make sense to come down there? Absolutely it does. Absolutely it does. Why wouldn't you? And that's why I preach for you guys all the time to, you know, build your narrative and give a reason as to why this, and this may happen. Right? If you build your narrative, you will have a lot more success with your trades. Plus, right now, there's nothing, market structure is not telling us in any way, even on the 3-minute time frame, to long. Right? Market structure is not in our favor. So what we would want to see is down, SFP, up, come back down, right, down, SFP, come back down, and then break like that. Come back for the retest, and then you can long there if you didn't catch the SFP. Super simple. Super duper simple. So let's see if we get it. Is it necessary to journal trades as a beginner? I've never journaled trades. That's kind of like to each their own. Honestly, to each their own. I've never done so, but doesn't mean that you shouldn't. But I do think it's important to... You don't need to journal it, but if you're losing, like, I try to identify why you're losing. I do think that's important. I do believe that is important, yes. All right, we're going to set an alert up at this order block here. If ETH comes back up to 1802, we are going to look to short it. Potentially we come up. Potentially this wave comes like this. We come up to 1802. We short it here, come down, take the low again, and then come up. We'll see. Right, we'll see. But this is how you build a narrative. And if we just come down from here, then we just come down from here. That works for me too. I don't care. Money flow is thick. Let's check the one. One is looking like we may continue. I don't know, man. To be honest, right now, I mean, it's tough because Bitcoin didn't SFE, but ETH did. So, ETH will follow Bitcoin. Should I sell 950k Dogecoin? I mean, you should have sold 950k Dogecoin earlier today. Now we're down 6% from where we were. So if you're in an ETH long, this box, 100 million, billion, trillion %, like non-negotiable, is your first take profit. Non-negotiable. Very non-negotiable. That's your first take profit right here. If you're long on ETH. So let's be a little bit safer and say 18 hundo. Let's pull it like that. Let's just be a little bit safer. 1800 is your take profit. Non-negotiable take profit. Non-negotiable. Potentially we come up there to see what depends on what Bitcoin's doing. But I don't know. I don't think that we will. I think we're going to continue down. Personally, but we'll see. All right. How do you do risk management with high leverage? Like what position size? That's completely up to you and what you're comfortable with. I can't tell you what to trade with. What I do is I build, hold it to 2K. I don't know how well that's going to work out for you, bro. What I do, is I have in my mind what I'm willing to lose per trade. Okay. So I don't trade percentages like everybody else and everybody preaches on YouTube. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong at all with that, but I don't do that. And hold on, I want to come on Bitcoin because I want to see if we can catch this trade. So I trade unit sizes. So let's just say I'm okay to lose $100 every trade. I will change my position and I will change my leverage and whatever else to reflect that if I lose, I will lose $100. And then depending on the style that I'm trading, if I'm coming in and out all the time and whatever else, then I may lower. Like right now, if I'm trying to catch every wick, then I will change my position to lose, for example, $20 every trade instead of $100 if I'm losing like a lot. But I do it based on unit sizes. I don't do it based on percentages. It's just easier for me to see how much I'm going to lose if I lose the trade, as opposed to calculating 1% of my balance. And like, that's me though. To each their own. All right, let's see if we can come down and recover this this green vector. Let's see, do we have any shifts in market structure? We don't have anything. No shifts in market structure really at all. Technically on the 1 until we break this high, if we break this high. We did come up to an order block here. We'll see what happens, man. I think I favor to the down, but we'll see. Gio, do we enter direct wick when we hit SFP, or do we wait for the 1 minute to close? It's up to you, man. It's up to you. If you see the confirmations on Market Cipher B, you can enter on the wick. It's a lot riskier to do that. Otherwise, you can wait for a close on whichever time frame you're watching the SFPs on. Waiting for the close is obviously safer, but you're going to get a worse risk to reward. Which again, if you're practicing good risk management, doesn't really matter. Right? It doesn't really matter. It was great at the very start, and on each other. All right, let us see what we see, man. Man, I kind of want to come down. I want to come down, and I want to take this this level. It would be very nice to take this level, guys. If you haven't liked the stream already, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't liked, hit the notification bell. I give updates all the time in my free VIP section of my Discord. And obviously, we have our Brag About It channel where we can be a little bit cocky there, right? It was great at the very start. All right, let's see what we do here. We're following ETH. We're following BTC. Dogecoin went to the moon. But luckily for us, we sold it at the moon. Unluckily for retail, retail did what retail does and definitely held it. They sold into my, or they bought into my sell liquidity. Oops, sorry. All right, the thought process of trading live really helps. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I think BTC is going down. 12-minute looks mwah. 12 minutes. 12 minuto. Let's check it. I do also think it's coming down. Yeah, 12 minutes ugly AF, man. We're going to probably come towards this box. Hopefully we get it on stream. Hopefully it doesn't take super long and I don't get bored. I get impatient sometimes. All right, let's say you have $1,000. How big position size would I use with 90x? It's up to you, man. It's up to you. If you only have $1,000, like, okay, if you have $1,000 in your account, but you're like working full time and you can kind of just afford to put another 1,000 in like a month or two, then I would trade probably with like $50. Like if you lose, then I would lose $50 per trade. That's probably what I would do. But my risk is different than yours. I can, if I blow up a $1,000 account, I can replace that $1,000 account very easily. Right? So I might break the rules of percentages, but I can replace my funds. So it depends, man. Like it all depends. Everyone to each their own. If you're new and you have $1,000, I'm not even joking, trade with $5. I'm literally not even joking. Because it's not about the money. When you're new, You're trying to learn how to trade, right? You're learning the percentages. You're learning the game. You're not trading to make money. You need to get good at trading, and the money is a result of the trading. And that's something not advertise, but what's the word I'm looking for? I advocate for all the time. All the time. All right, down we go. Look at the 45-minute. It is about to shite the pants. Let's see. I mean, maybe. I would say the 12 looks worse than the 24. Lately, I've been digging the 10-minute. The 10-minute is great. 10-minute is my favorite time frame right now. Hoser, bro. This ETH long, man. I don't know about her, bud. I do not know about her. Guys, the VIP code. Where am I? Here we are. VIP code. And by the way, this can drop real quick. VIP code for this stream is 2629. 2629. Write her down. Write her down. Guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go to the bathroom real quick. Real quick. If you haven't already, please like the stream. Man, this is the worst time to need to use the bathroom. Or sorry, the restroom, as you Americans say. You have 220 USDT account and lost 50 bucks at Gala, but I've learned from it and will recover it. There you go. Man, don't focus on the money, bro. Focus on the percentages. All right, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. Let's see if we get this entry. So let's see. We're going to talk live again. 15-minute. What do we see? Potentially could give us a bull div. Potentially. We're not going to jump the gun here. We're not going to get excited. 12-minute looks horrendous, okay? 10-minute looks horrendous. 5-minute looks like, okay, we got money flow coming up over time. Looks like we may put in a wave like this. We may break this low, but we may continue our bull divs as such. We might skip this one, and this is still a bull div if we do that. Not only is this still a bull div if we do that, but it will give us our, what do we like to see? 3 taps of divergences. Tap 1, tap 2, tap wherever tap 3 may be. We got tap 1, tap 2, and then this would be a tap 3 if it is higher than this wave here, with money flow coming up over time. So if price comes down, it's not looking so bad, right? It's not looking so bad. 3-minute time frame. Let's take a look in real time. Money flow is still coming up, and we do technically still have the money flow divergences on the 3. Right now, I consider this a valid SFP. What do we do right now? And actually, I'm going to do it. I'm going to try it. Let's try it. Let's try it together. We're going to practice good risk management. Let's get our longs ready. Wands at the ready. Right? I am short hedge anyway. So if it rips through it, then it rips through it. But let's start laddering in around 33,600. Because right now it looks valid to me. Good risk management, guys. I'm not joking. Like, don't long the farm here. We could take 2 SFPs and they could come quick. We could take 3 SFPs. We could be at 32K in 10 minutes. I don't know. Okay, you have to practice good risk management. The first stop loss, I would say, depends on where you enter, but let's say 32,950, I would say, is our stop loss. So manage your risk accordingly. Manage your leverage accordingly. 33,249, or 30, what did I say? 32,949, I will say. 32,949. We're going to hit open long. Oh, whoops. Seriously? Oh my days. Okay. Good risk management. So now we can start to get our shotgun entries. We can start putting our limit orders kind of across here. Let's go to the next one. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 8, 9. Let's say. Same invalidation. Practice good risk management. Right? We're going to shotgun it. We don't know how low it can go. We could SFP this low as well. We don't know. We don't know. We probably will SFP this low as well. So perhaps you want to even extend the stop loss a little bit further. I don't know. No, I'm not entering now. I'm putting limit orders. These wicks can get ugly, and they can get ugly quick. So, just a reminder, you know. Good risk management, guys. Good risk management. Okay, before this candle happens, I'm going to use the bathroom real quick, guys. Like the stream and hit me with some random emojis. Hit me with some fire emojis. Let me see some fire emojis. I'll be right back. I'm going to go so hard. I'm going to push it out so fast. All right, what happened? What did I miss? What'd I miss? Okay, I missed nothing. Beautiful. All right, let's see if we can get a quick wick down right now. Give me a quick wick, baby. Let's go. Send her down. RIP Dogecoin. Thank goodness that we know what we're doing and we took profit earlier today. Gio, I want to ask a question about vector candles. Why not always price recovers the vector? I mean, it usually does. It just depends on the time frame. But there's a lot of things taken into consideration, right? There's there's market structure, there's liquidity, there are order blocks. It's not going to recover it right away. But eventually, the vectors will be recovered most of the time. Yeah, look at Doge, man. Dude, that sucks. This is a buy zone for Doge, by the way. We'll see if we get there. Perhaps we get down here the same time simultaneously. We get down to... Depends on what happens with Bitcoin, man. It honestly depends on what happens with Bitcoin. But perhaps we get the SFE on Bitcoin. The same time Doge comes into this zone. And there's your Doge long. We will see. We will see. Doge is not looking too good for longs. I mean, we do got the 3-tap divergence. 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. If it plays out. We don't know. Someone keep an eye on Doge for me while I keep an eye on BTC here. But I do want to see a little bit lower. I want to see a little bit lower. Who knows if we'll get it? Over time, we might not even get it, guys. Over time, we have money flow is increasing, but price is getting lower. So this is good, you know, confluence with my idea of SFPing and grabbing these lows here. Which I hope it happens, man. I hope it happens so fast. And I hope our longs hit. And then I can tell everybody, I told you so. My favorite thing is telling people I told you so. If you haven't already noticed. But it's a quick scalp because market structure is against us now. So, you know, we catch the quick SFP and then we bounce. And honestly, ideally, this SFP is even better. Down here. And we can drop pretty quick, guys. It can happen fast. Let's see what we see, baby. Can I repeat the limit orders? Man, they're just like in this area. Let me see where I have them. I have 2 right now. One is at 33,536, and the second one is at 33,389. But I might move them. Like, depends on what happens. I might adjust it. So don't just copy my orders just because I have them there. Right? Depends on how quick we come down. I'm also gonna... I have my finger ready on the market button as well. And I have proper risk management. Okay? I need to, like, very much tell you that we can come for this SFP also. And it can happen quick. This could be a 1-minute candle down to here. And then SFP it. Like, it's possible. So you have to just be careful. Cannot, like, illustrate this enough. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's not financial advice and whatever, because y'all are grown. Okay? I'm not your dad. You guys do what you want. Like, I'm not going to sit here and try to defend. Oh, you... Like, if you come at me, don't even try. Basically, is what I mean. Okay, let's see what happens, man. Let's see. Actually, I might honestly set some limit orders on Doge. Yeah, Doge is looking good. If we come down to this box, Doge is looking good for a long. The Dogecoin. I don't know what this song is, but I'm kind of digging it right now. Yeah, Doge is actually looking pretty nice for a long, if I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Doge is looking pretty good. Pretty juicy, I would say. Pretty spicy. 855. Is 69855? 6885. Stop loss 6772. Proper risk management. No, this is not financial advice. I am not. Oh, what do you mean you're 7 years old? Yo, y'all do what you guys want, man. I'm not your dad. I take zero responsibility. I mean, let's be real, okay? No one talks like this, but let's be real. Let's just say you listen to my advice and you blew all your money. How are you gonna, like, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna come after me? You have no money. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, you're gonna sue me how? With what money? Like, okay, you can try. I can afford lawyers, right? Like, I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, speaking of that, I have a court date at the end of next month. I'm very upset about it. I'm not even mad about the money or the ticket. I'm mad that I have to waste my time and deal with it. It's annoying. All right, enough about me. Gio, can I please tell you why I'm looking at Bybit inverse chart? I'm going to tell you the honest to God answer. Jason said that this is the best chart, so I use it for that reason. Super honest answer. He likes it, so when I learned, I just started using those levels as well. It's literally exactly why. No other reason. All right. You're gonna tattletale to your mom? That is funny. At 6.9 WPM, I can get you canceled. I don't know what WPM is. Gio's a gangster? I am not a gangster. Man, I'm 5'3", bro. I am so not a gangster. Not that that doesn't mean anything. Like, you know, don't let my height deceive you. I'm trying to get huge. Like, huge. Huge. All right, 58 likes, 62 people in the stream. Word on the street is if the last 4 people like the stream, then Bitcoin is going to dump and we're all going to get paid. So, just saying. Oh, words per minute? Typing? It was great at the very... Come on, man. Give me the move. How long we been live for? How long has it been? Oh, this is a good song. Okay, we're gonna have a little party too. While we're waiting for what seems to be forever.
As he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and pain, you begin to wonder why you came.
Where did I go wrong?
Lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known
How to save a life. Guys, I have the best music on YouTube. Not only do I have the best music on YouTube, but I have the best music of any crypto YouTuber, period. And don't even try to challenge me on it because you'll look foolish if you try to. Right now we're at the point of control. No, the point of control is way upstairs, bruv. Way, way upstairs. We're almost at the value area low. Is what we're almost at. Gio, you need to get huge. You're right, I do. Why is none of today's ETH market structure retracing 50% to golden pockets on fib levels? Because Fibonacci is like a retail way of trading. That's why. Okay, maybe we don't get the S&P because things are looking a little bit more up now. Why did I go wrong? Perhaps we will get it a little bit later. Which is annoying because I'm on stream now and I'm probably not going to be on stream later. How to save a life. You told me ETH 2K. Should I long it now, bro? You tell me. I don't know. I just work here, man. I don't know. I know how to save a life. No, man. I want lower. I want lower. Rip our SFP. We don't get paid. I know, man. You guys didn't like the video. That's why. There's an artist named whatever. Check him out. I just can't play copyrighted stuff. Not that I monetized anyways, because YouTube hella snaked me. It's okay, my friend. You will have your opportunity on ETH. You will have your opportunity. Should I keep the shades on or should I take the shades off? Should we go to these shades? I'm not even gonna lie. I can't see a damn thing in them. But they look so cool, so... So I am digging it, man. I'm digging it. I am absolutely digging it. I want to see a fast move down, man. Give me fast. Speed! Speed, speed, speed. Did Bitcoin take the low? Bitcoin didn't take the low either. Wow. Yet... Yet. Big yet. Let's check CVD. Let us check CVD, man. Ba 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 da ba ba na 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 na. People are longing. People are definitely longing here, so. I mean, we actually got bearish CVD. Is this bearish? I can't see, man. Hold the phone. Okay, let me get myself out of the way. Okay, let's see. More market buys. We honestly have bearish and bullish CVD at the same time. AKA it's neutral. I would say it's more bearish though. Because this high, look at how high CVD is. Right? But look at where we are relative to price. Yeah, this is bearish. Even if we take from this high. Right? So more longs are coming in, but the price is lower. This is bearish CVD right now. This is absorption. Send it down, baby! No, it is. It's bearish, bro. That is bearish. It's bearish until it's not. Right? But when we came to the low here... we do have bullish CVD. That's what I'm saying. It's bearish and bullish at the same time. Right? It's literally bearish and bullish at the same time. It's weird. So here we have absorption. Is that absorption? No, here we have exhaustion. Here we have absorption. Super weird. I don't remember the last time I saw this. We literally have exhaustion and absorption at the same time. Very strange. Very, very strange. All right, market got to be half long, half short. Yep. I think I still favor more bearish CVD than bullish. But it's both. It's honestly both. Fast Gio, go to the gym and we'll get the moves. I know. I guess I'm gonna have to. What about prior lows over time? Come on, the 15. Oh! You guys like that? See how dramatic I am? All right. Let's check the range CVD. Okay, range CVD is bearish. The whole range CVD. So I like to use CVD as per the range as well. Right? I do use like points as I did earlier. But range CVD is bearish, guys. We got bearish CVD over time. Simple as that. Oh, thank you, guys. Bless you too. Thank you. Yeah, range CVD is bearish though. Range CVD is bearish, man. It doesn't really even matter how you look at it. If you take it from this high, it's still bearish. Now, we're not just trading right now based on bearish or based on range CVD. But, you know, something to note. Definitely something to note. When in doubt, zoom out. Yes, sir, you are correct. Market schlonging. Yes, sir, that's how we do it. Can we open a hedge at the same price, long and short? You can, but what's the point of doing that? Can you make a vid or something explaining CCS and open interest? You mean CVD? I don't know what CCS is. But yeah, I can. I actually already have videos about CVD. Here, let me get it for you. Right here. There you go, man. Na, 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 na. All right, let me check Soul. Oh man. Soul can come. Soul is probably coming here. Hold on. Okay, I would say Soul is minimum coming to 26. That's what I would say. Let's set an alert. Minimum there. But it can even come lower than that, man. It can come lower than that. This is what I'm telling you guys. You guys are too bullish. Y'all are too bullish. Look at the liquidity here, man. Look at all this liquidity. Retail draws this line and says, oh, we're at support right now, Gio. Let's long it. Stupid, man. Stupid. That's liquidity. When you take this and if we fall, we're going to come all the way down here. So, in my opinion, is coming at least 27. At least. At least. Give it some time. People are too bullish. Bull market ain't here yet, Chief. Appreciate you. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for checking it out. We got the same level at 26. Well, you are the Soul King, brother, not me. Okay, Bitcoin, you're boring me. Are you gonna give me some like you think I don't need a new pair of shoes or something? Gio needs a new pair of shoes, baby. Dump it. Let's go. All right, guys, for the last time. For the last time, before I head out. Hopefully this move happens soon. We've been live for almost 2 hours. For the last time, the VIP code. $2629. $2629. Write it down. Y'all finna get purged. That was the first time in my life I've ever said finna. Guys, I need you to start funding my hauls because I keep losing my voice during these streams and I need hauls. So I need you guys to fund it for me. I can't afford it. When will the bot appear? After the stream. Soul can short? I mean, I wouldn't short it from here. I would not short it from here. Not while it's already dumping. That's what retail does. Retail is shorting right now. Our name is not retail, is it? If you're going to short, we'll send an alert there. 31.75. There's your short. In this box, not anywhere below. We're probably going to bounce up the 50 EMA. But I want to see what's going on here. Come on, BTC. Let me see what we see, baby. Man, shouts out to all you guys. Thank you for being here with me. BTC is waiting for smart traders to leave so it can dump. It's right, baby. Yawn, bro. Yawn. I'm bored. Boo! Boo! All right, guys, hear me out. Check this out. Check this out. Ready? Watch this ETH. ETH projection. Boom. Boom. Somewhere down here. Boom. 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 I see the future. That is what's going to happen. Guaranteed 100% confirmations. Guaranteed. You guys are so lucky that I see the future. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't have the chat up. What are you guys saying? Let's see. Remember the Dogecoin millionaire? I do not, actually. Man, I have a pretty interesting story when it comes to Dogecoin, which was my first crypto. I'm not going to tell you guys the story now, but perhaps you guys will know it soon. Am I long on ETH? I am not long on ETH. No. Maybe I will. I don't know. Let me see what happens with this next green dot. But I do think ETH will probably come up to here. 18. It's possible. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is financial advice. You wish, bro. I'm just a 5'3" guy from the worst country in the world. Yeah. That's it. 5'3", worst country in the world. Got some shades on. What do I know? What do I know if he really loves me? How will I know? Okay, let's see where BTC is going to come up to before we get our next wave down, because it doesn't seem like we will right now. AKA, Gio's going to go to the gym. But let's see. Yeah, BTC is coming up to here. BT City. Where's my my box? Bitcoin is coming hither. Set your alerts. 34.1. Oh, what the hell? That's like right here. We're already there. Wait, let me see if I can refine that down. Eh. 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 Oh, Canada, baby. Worst country in the world. Just ask our Prime Minister when bowling ban strat, entry vid, and golden nugget vid. So the next video is going to be a market cipher video. The video after that is going to be a golden nugget video. And then perhaps after that, I will show you guys the nugget strat or the Bollinger Bands. Because to be honest, you can't really enter on the Bollinger Band strategy until you know how market cipher works. And a lot of you guys still don't know how it works. And some of y'all don't have the time or patience or discipline or the need or the want to make a lot of money. So you don't go watch my longer video on it. So I got to make a shorter one for the ones who are impatient. Super duper impatient here. I sound like Ova. Can I do a real quick TA on ETH? So ETH, we gotta watch for this SFP. Do I have any local? Let me see if I have any local. All right, let's do ETH real quick. Man, I can't see anything. Up here's an order block. We got this SFP, which we already took. Now we could potentially take our new SFP, which in my opinion, we probably will. We got this SFP. We got this SFP. Let me come on the, let's do it on the hour. Let's do it on the 15. Let's come to the 15. We got that SFP. We technically got this SFP, but I think if we're going to come for this, we're probably going to come for this. And let's do our TA. Where's our range low? I would say that's the range low. So let's pull our range. Right, so this is our ETH range. Let's hide our EMAs. Okay, this is our ETH range. This line we don't need anymore. What do we do when we're ranging? We usually SFP the high. We did here. We came down to the low. Right? We had this high next. SFP that high. Came down to the low. Nothing crazy, you know. Nothing abnormal here. Right? We have our rotational effect. When you SFP the high, you can probably expect to come down and SFP the low, which is probably what we're coming for. Right? We're going to follow Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, as you can see, we already have the range. We're going to follow Bitcoin as well. Right? Let's pull our volume. Here's our volume. We're bouncing off the value area low. Whatever. I don't think it's going to be a huge bounce. Let's pull our fibs. Grab our golden pockets. I mean, golden pocket literally did nothing for ETH. Literally nothing. Completely useless. Let's just say you wanted to short from the top. You know, you could say, all right, SFP of this high into our golden pocket zone. 786, potentially. Right, let's pull our dailies. Okay, we grab this naked daily point of control. So it's gone. These are old range. We don't care about it. This, we don't know what that is. This, we don't need it. We got a daily level up here as well. So we could say D plus SFP plus value area high. No, not the value area high. Plus GP7. We don't have a weekly there. And we got no monthlies either. I mean, to be honest, the longs we're looking at SFPing. Right? I would say 1704 is probable to come and tap this naked daily point of control. Perhaps we get a bounce there. Let's see. That's probably where our golden pocket is as well. Let's hide all these lines. So around here, right? I would say 1700 makes sense. But let's let's see where the golden pocket is. It's probably exactly there. Okay, 786 is there as well. But our golden pocket is down here. Right? Did we have any? I don't remember. Did we have any dailies? We got a daily level there as well. We got a weekly, no monthly. So take the daily, take the weekly. extend our golden pocket to those levels. This is potentially your SFP, right? TW, daily, SFP. Do we have any order blocks there? Let's take a look. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Nothing there that I like. No, we got no order blocks. No order blocks down there. So perhaps we come lower, right? But it won't happen right away. Of course it will be like we could scalp the whole way. Right here we have an order block down. Whoops. Yeah, that's fine. We got an order block down here. So perhaps we come there. Right, 1680. We'll set an alert. But that's I mean kind of what I'm looking at right now. In my opinion, no trades unless we come and hit this box. Or we don't have to hit the box, but we could just SFP here. Right, but it makes sense because we also have a fair value gap in this red vector candle zone. So if I were to draw from here to here, there's your fair value gap. So if we take the SFP, we're probably going to take the fair value gap as well. Right, we're probably going to grab that. So it makes sense to come down, tap into our golden pocket. This is actually a very interesting long position right here. I would probably long this. Actually, let's move this alert a little bit more up so we're prepared. And we'll say long at 1741. Long 1741. Right, this actually looks like a very good confluence level. What did we say? That was the golden pocket? Give or take. Yeah. So I would probably, depending on how quick we come down, depending on what happens, I would probably do something like this. Oh. Give or take. I would probably do something like this. Wait, where were our weeklies? Weeklies below. Where was the daily? I would do this. Probably like that. You could be safer and you could put the stop loss down there. Up to you. But that's what I would do. And that, guys, in real time, is how I trade. It's how I give you guys my levels. Right, so now we can take all these boxes, put them in a folder. Right, range. Turn all that nonsense off. And say, boom, there's our trade. And then see if it plays out. And of course, we watch Market Cipher B. No, it is not an indicator on how I get Market Cipher B, or on how I get order blocks. I do it manually, and I'm doing a boot camp probably next week to explain that. So you know, make sure you're in the Discord if you're not already, and yeah, you know, get more info on that soon. Okay, guys, this is taking some time, and man, we've been streaming for 2 hours, so it is time for me to go. Plus, this is my exit song, so I'm going to catch you on the next one. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button. I give you guys updates in real time. It's been a hell of a stream. It's been 2 hours, but it's time for me to go. And it's my exit song, as I mentioned. So one last time, baby. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate y'all. One last party, baby. One last party. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Guys, I totally goofed. That's not even my exit song. Hold on, I'm gonna give you guys my exit song. No one go anywhere. Wait. Oh my days, I gotta find the tab. Okay. I have 2 exit songs. I'm still deciding which one I want. Okay, this is one. Where did I go wrong? How to save a life. Okay, that's one. Here's another one. Which one was it? Oh, man. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. I have one more that we're gonna do. Was it this? Okay, I don't know if this is it, but this is gonna be it today. Yeah, maybe.
It's suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Wait, is it low? You guys should be able to hear it.
Heart on fire.
Heart on fire.
Set my heart afire.
Guys, thank you very much for joining me. I'll catch you in the next stream. And I'll catch you guys in the Discord. If you haven't joined, join the Discord.